Well, there's a good chance you don't go to one of these, an ATM, as much as you used to. Sure, some people still like cash, but if you walk down the street, there's a good chance people are buying things not with this, but with credit cards. But have you ever thought about how much credit cards cost businesses? Well, Congress is debating that. Some believe reform is needed to lower prices, while some fear credit card perks could soon be a casualty. Here is what we're talking about. You see, every time a credit card is used, there is something known as an interchange fee that kicks in. These transaction fees are paid for by the business itself, the price of offering customers the convenience of using a credit card. Let's say you buy something for $100. Typically, $2 to $3 of that is a fee paid by the business. And while the U.S. has 4 credit card processing networks, some in Washington believe the market is dominated way too much by Visa and MasterCard, creating a lack of competition, they say, for businesses.
There's one place that we can't negotiate, and that's with the credit card companies.
Recently, Democrats and Republicans joined small business owners outside the Capitol to introduce the Credit Card Competition Act, which would mandate that businesses have options beyond MasterCard and Visa when it comes to swipe fees.
Small businesses pay the highest swipe card fees.
Mike Beal with Ball's Food Stores in Kansas and Missouri says competition will mean lower fees and more savings for customers. But before you say, great, this will make going to the grocery store cheaper,
make no mistake, consumers will lose.
Brian Kelly wants you to know something. Kelly is known online as the points guy and helps Americans discover how credit card perks like travel points and cashback rewards can help them save money. Kelly says any disruption with credit card interchange fees could mean those credit card perks that perhaps paid for your last vacation get cut.
You get cash back or rewards or like fraud protection. That's all paid for by the interchange. Points are how people are traveling. Many people are traveling these days.
Kelly isn't just guessing here. He says back when Senator Dick Durbin of Illinois passed similar legislation over 10 years ago aimed at reducing debit card fees, incentives to use those debit cards were quickly dropped.
Debit card rewards disappeared almost overnight. Fees on checking accounts went up across the boards.
Whether or not Congress actually passes any credit card reform this year is unclear. A vote, though, is possible this month. Joe St. George, Scripps News, Washington.